This your main man, Keep It Clean Ray, coming back with another vid. Got some treats. Let's dive into this thing. Let's open this up. Y'all hear all these airplanes going over our heads. Y'all want to find me, y'all know what I ain't gonna go like that. Y'all see the back of the box? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Got this milk carton stuff going on over here. Social status. Got the milk vibe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen me do the video with the chocolate milk dunks. Now we got the strawberry milk dunks. So yeah, I hit on the come on back in. I hit on the raffle with social status on these joints. In actuality, I hit on the toddler size as well. Man, the plane's killing me today. But it's okay, we're gonna keep doing this video. Shoot, just last year you ain't hear none of this stuff. But yeah, open it up, see the little kid stuff going on here. That's a little lunch menu. Come on in here. We're gonna put this thing on down right here. And what we're gonna do is, y'all see him. Y'all see him. So it looks like we got a little spot on mine already right here. I don't know if the camera picking it up. Some cool little material. But yeah, this strawberry dunk. Man, that gel. That thing sexy, ain't it? Got that green bottom, all that good stuff. Like I said, I did the chocolate milk ones. You know what I'm saying? We got this velvet stuff going on. Got this this leather right here feeling like suede a little bit. Man, this thing look clean. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that leather popping. Got the little rope style laces. And we got some of these flat laces. Ooh, these flat laces might kill too. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I kept the rope style in the chocolate dunk. I don't know if I'm gonna do the same in these. Let's go and put one of these on his feet. Just walk around in them. I ain't got no fit on with it. We'll figure out how to style these another time. But right now, we're just gonna put these on. Yeah, you see it. I'm telling you, I'm feeling this swoosh, man. Boys Well Social Status, Milky TPU gel swoosh. So they telling you what it is, why velvet, you know what I'm saying, all that.
I got the vibes in the vibe, the money don't fold. Baby, step inside this office, take the show on the road. I got a big bills, got it by the bigger brain. Big bills, got it by the bigger brain. Vibes in the vibe, the money don't fold. Baby, step inside this office, take the show on the road. I got a big bills, got it by the bigger brain. Big bills, got it by the bigger brain.
Talk about the 7 kilo question, never ready to unload. Never trust a soul, I would never fold. Man, this world is cold, the treachery won't get the best of me. Roll up my weed in the follow, leave leather up under me, gripping on the wheel. Thinking about the meal, stay off in the field. Like a referee, till that nigga keep it, bitch around me. The big bang roll, bring a lot of hoes. See, I'm from Compton Road, some of these niggas do the most. The big bang roll, bring a lot of hoes. See, I'm from Compton Road, some of these niggas do the most.
I got the vibes in the vibe, the money don't fold. Baby, step inside this office, take the show on the road. I got a big bills, got it by this bigger brain. Big bills, got it by this bigger brain. Vibes in the vibe, the money don't fold. Baby, step inside this office,
It's your main man, Keep It Clean Ray. Keep checking out my vids. I know y'all like these dunks, man, but these ain't for everybody. You know what I'm saying? Everybody don't like the strawberry pinkish colorway because they don't know how to rock it. They don't have that kind of feng shui, you know what I'm saying? So if these ain't for you, don't get them unless you're just trying to flip them. Well, guess what? You ain't gotta flip them on me, 'cause I got mine for retail. Partner, peace.
That's always been my thing. Seize the moment, on my dream. Now it's hard to be a pimp and a player. Transcendent, not to be a failure. Now it's hard to be a pimp and a player. Transcendent, not to be a failure.
Got the rise in the ride, cause money don't fold. Baby, step inside this office, take the show on the road. I got a big bills, got it by this bigger brain. Big bills, got it by this bigger brain. Rise in the ride, cause money don't fold. Baby, step inside this office, take the show on the road. I got a big bills, got it by this bigger brain. Big bills, got it by this bigger brain.
Thoroughbred, mackin', never lacking. I'm what's happening. If you knew me from my past, you know this pimpin' is a Big vibes, 4-wheel tipping.